Hello friends, today I will discuss the ruby laser, the construction of ruby laser. It is the first laser and the first demonstration of laser action using the ruby laser was given by T.H. Myman in 1960. It is a solid state laser construction diagram. This is the construction diagram of ruby laser. I will discuss each and every part in my coming slides. That I will discuss what is the function of ruby rod, what is the function of this partially silvered optical resonator system, pumping source, flash lamp. So wait, ruby is a crystal of aluminum oxide, that is Al2O3. This is basically ruby, in which some of the aluminum ions Al3 plus are replaced by chromium ions Cr3 plus. This is done by doping small amounts of chromium oxide Cr2O3 in the melt of purified Al2O3. So basically ruby is Al2O3, but we dope Cr2O3, so the size of Al3 plus is almost the same as the size of Cr3 plus. The function of Al2O3 is to just act as host. We will get the laser due to chromium ions. These chromium ions give the crystal a pink or red color depending upon the concentration of chromium ions. Laser rods are prepared from a single crystal of pink ruby, which contains 0.05% by weight chromium. Al2O3 does not participate in the laser action. It only acts as a host. The ruby crystal is in the form of slender. You can see this diagram. Length of ruby crystal is usually 2 cm to 30 cm and diameter is 0.5 cm to 2 cm. Now we also use liquid nitrogen. As very high temperature is produced during the operation of laser, the rod is surrounded by liquid nitrogen to cool the apparatus. Active medium or active center. I have discussed in my previous video lectures about the various components or various parts of a laser. The first part of the laser is active medium or active center. So chromium ions act as active centers in ruby crystal. So it is the chromium ions that produce the laser. Pumping source. As I have already discussed in my last video lecture, that the pumping source helps in stimulated absorption. Without pumping source, there cannot be the excitation of the electrons or atoms or ions. So here helical flash lamp filled with xenon is used as a pumping source. So you can see here in the diagram, this is the helical shaped flash lamp. Ruby crystal is placed inside a xenon flash lamp. Thus optical pumping is used to achieve population inversion in ruby laser. So basically optical pumping is used in ruby laser, and we use a helical flash lamp filled with xenon to achieve pumping. Optical resonator system. In the first laser, that is the ruby laser, when it was constructed first time, the ends of the ruby crystal are polished and grounded and made flat. The one of the ends is completely silvered, while the other one is partially silvered to get the output. Thus the two polished ends act as optical resonator system. Now we made the two ends, or you can say we use a mirror. So one end is 100% almost highly reflective, 100% reflective, and other is 90% reflective, from which we can take the output. This is the function of optical resonator system, and I have discussed the optical resonator system in my earlier video lectures. So this is the construction part of Ruby Laser. I will discuss the working part of Ruby Laser in my next video lecture. So for further reference, please search our website, that is www.venusscience.com. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you are liking our video lectures, and if you will be able to give any positive constructive feedback so that I can improve my video lectures, I will highly appreciate. If you want to get the laser ebook, please email at venusscience@gmail.com. Thank you. Thanks a lot.